This is my Autozam AZ-1. Tried to recreate it the best I could. It's not one of my best builds, but it's still quite good. So the doors, they open up just like the real one, and then in the interior you've got the two seats. There is a dashboard there with the gauges. It's got a gear stick, a steering wheel. And the other one opens too, like that. Same. And round the back, there's the bonnet, the little stand, just because the real one has one. And then in there, I think you can see it, there's the little engine in there. I believe on the real one it's a 650cc engine, so it's not that big. And also, just like the real one, don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but you can see through to the ground beneath the engine. See, there's my finger in there. You can see through because the engine is that small. But that is my Autozam.